Welcome to this 10-minute full body strength beginners workout that you can do anywhere, no equipment needed, and you can use a towel instead of a mat. It will help you feel stronger, move better, and start the year in the right mindset. Let's go. First exercise, glute bridges. Push through your heels and lift the hips as high as possible. Focus on contracting the glutes at the top of the movement or squeezing them. And also, I want you to try to engage your core. The best way to do this is drawing the belly button in towards your spine and trying to keep that contraction in your body. Let's go with one more repetition. Well done. Second exercise is 2 movements in one. First, set up your feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna aim to reach the floor with your hands and then we reach the sky. You can modify it and you can go as close to the floor as possible, and the same when you're going overhead. On the way down, we're doing a squat. On the way up, you're working your upper body. Here we're doing lots of core as well, so just make sure that you're contracting your core and that you are pushing your knees out when you go into the squat position. Well done. Third exercise, push-ups on the knees. Let me show you the right setup. Hands next to your chest. We're gonna push the body up and look how my hands are aligned with my shoulders. From there, I do the push-up, aiming to get as close as possible to the floor without resting my chest on the floor. Here I'm also contracting my glutes every time that I'm pushing my body up. Excellent. Let's go with the fourth exercise, walking lunges. Give me a long stride with one leg forward, and the leg that is at the back, we are aiming to get as close as possible to the floor with that knee. If you don't have as much space as I do, that's totally fine. You can modify it by doing 2 steps or 1 step one way, then turn around and continue. Or you could also do all of them in one place. Doesn't really matter. What matters is that you are engaging your muscles, that you are doing your best, and you're trying to get your knee as close as possible to the floor. We are nearly there. 1, 2, 3, and one more. 4. Great, great. Fifth exercise. We're gonna work the core. For that, let's get the elbows aligned with the shoulders, and we're gonna extend one leg, then the other one, hips contracted, glutes contracted, and we're gonna hold this position, plank position, for 30 seconds. Focus on squeezing the glutes, on keeping your body in one line, and on drawing your belly button in towards your spine to activate your core. We are nearly there. 5 seconds on the clock. 3, 2, and 1. Well done. This is one circuit. Now we're gonna repeat this 2 more times. Come on, let's do it again. Second time, back on the glute bridges position, hands on the side, draw your belly button in, push through the heels, up, squeeze the glutes, and then down. This part is not about doing it as fast as possible. It's about engaging the right muscles, on trying to do a full movement if your mobility allows you, and on be present with your body, feeling the glutes, feeling the core, feeling if something is off as well. Give me one more. Nice, nice. Second exercise, squat and overhead. Feet shoulder width apart. Now that your body is a little bit more warm, you might be able to get closer to the floor. But again, don't cause pain on your body. Just do your best. Try to reach as close as possible to the floor and then go with that nice and full extension with your arms while you are contracting your core. And remember, knees pushing out. You don't want the knees caving in. Fantastic. Give me one more, down and up. Great. Third exercise, push-ups. With the push-ups, the setup is everything. So let's get the body all the way down on the floor, hands on the side, bend your knees, squeeze the glutes and push the body up. And that's you in position, and that's when you start the movement. Most of the people rush this movement. It starts too quick. You need to give yourself time to be in the right position so it feels right in your joints as well. Also, don't forget to engage your glutes. That will help you to protect your lower back, and it will be harder to cheat in the exercise. Come on, come on. Fourth exercise, walking lunges. Pick one leg, go with a big step forward, go as deep as possible with the knee that is backwards. And here is another opportunity to engage your core. We are doing 16 repetitions. I'm counting 4 each way, so I have to do 4 total of those ones. If you don't want to think about the numbers, just follow along. That's totally fine as well. Make sure that you are giving nice and long strides to activate your glutes more. And also that you are aiming to get as close as possible to the floor with your knees if your mobility allows you. Let's do one more. Perfect. Last exercise of this second circuit, back on the floor, plank position, elbows aligned with your shoulders. We go on your toes, and from there, set up your hips. Nice. Let's go. 30 seconds on the clock. The second is always harder. The body is starting to get more tired. But stay focused. Keep your body in one line. Squeeze the glutes. Push the belly button in towards the sky. That's it. That's it. Great. 10 seconds more there. Come on, guys. We're nearly there. 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Fantastic. Second circuit finish. We have one more to go, but it's the last one. So give me all that you have left. Remember, it's just 10 minutes. Let's go. Glute bridge position. Push through your heels. Lift the hips as high as possible and focus on engaging your glutes and your core. Those are the main muscles that we are working in this set. It's important as well that your head is stable, that your shoulders are away from your ears, and that you're keeping your hands on the side. Let's go with one more. Nice. Second exercise. Let's get up. 2 movements in one. Feet shoulder width apart. Let's reach the floor with the hands, doing a nice squat, and let's go overhead with long extension with your arms. Make sure you're contracting your core. We are working your legs here. We are working your arms, your shoulders, your core. Excellent. Come on, let's keep going. We are nearly there. And there is not long to go. After this one, 3 more exercises and you're done. Third one, push-ups on the knees. Practice again that setup all the way down with your body, and then hands on the side below your chest. Get in position, hands aligned with your shoulders, and let's go. Get your chest as close as possible to the floor. And if you are not able to get your chest that close, that's totally fine. Work on the range of motion that is available to you right now, and you will get better the more that you practice these routines. One more. Nice, nice. Guess what? 2 more movements to go and you finish. Let's go with a long stride with one leg forward. The knee at the back is trying to get as close as possible to the floor without resting on the floor. That's very important. So we keep a nice contraction and work on the muscles. Make sure that you're also contracting your core, especially when you are coming up from the bottom part of the movement. We are nearly there. I know, this one is challenging. Let's go 4 more, 4 more. That's 1, nice. 2, 3, and 4. Nice, nice. Okay, last movement of this circuit and of the day. Plank position, elbows aligned with your shoulders on your toes, squeeze the glutes, and let's go. 30 seconds and you finish. And we work the whole body, so excellent workout. You should be very proud of yourself. Stay with me, squeeze the glutes, push your belly button in towards the sky. 15 seconds, we are nearly there. 10 seconds now. Come on, come on. Stay there for me. 5 seconds. Nice. 3, 2, and 1. Well done. That's 10 minutes just for you. Stronger, energized, and starting the year right. If this workout made you feel good, give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next workout. Ciao, ciao.